Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. Yes, I am here at Copart and I'm just about as far away from the office as you can get. I am way back in the corner and this is a huge yard. What we're on the hunt for is something to add to my channel and perhaps something that you might like to add to your fleet of vehicles, or if you just need a car, basic mode of transportation, you're gonna find it out here. So let's wander around together, see what we can find and see what we might like to buy. Well, how about a 1969 Corvette? I just wandered upon this one, and from the back, she's gorgeous. I love this in orange with a luggage rack right there. Does this interfere with your fuel filler door? No, it doesn't. They positioned it just right. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, well, you can see inside there, can't you? She's dry as a bone. I don't think there's any gas in there. We'll have to check. It doesn't smell bad. Come on, Mike, be smarter than the gas cap. There it is. I like this. You like it too, until you see the damage. Ooh, big old wheels. Gigantic. What are these? Radial GTs. Okay. How old are they? They could be 05. Okay, so they've been around for a while. Yeah, these are 19-year-old tires. Here is your damage. I'll show you the 427. Focus on that. Just don't look past. Don't look. Yeah, there's your damage. The most expensive part of the car, I think, got damaged. Yeah. Okay. So, this is gone. This is gone. This can maybe be repaired. This is metal. This is all fiberglass right here. And the damage continues on your other 19-year-old tire. And if we look under here, well, I don't think it went too far. I can't really see what's back there. Maybe some of the lower control arm. I think it just jumped onto something. I mean, look at the dent in the wheel right there. So if you're good with fiberglass repair, or you just happen to have another 427 1969 Corvette that has a good front clip, this would be for you. Look at these side ports. I love that. I do. We have Astro ventilation. Lost type is side. Owner is Haggerty. Okay. This is someone who took care of his car and insured it with Haggerty. I think I insure my midget with Haggerty. Look at the inside. You got some of your steel rims right there inside your teeny tiny skinny steering wheel. Whoa, you really sit inside these cars. Look at your gauges. That is so cool. Yeah, all of your little steel rims. You get some of your fiberglass pieces right here. I don't want this to damage the seat, you know? I'm just gonna put these right here so it doesn't hurt the seat. Look at these cup holders. You think that's gonna work? I don't know. Oh, here we go. I like this. 390 horsepower, 427 cubic inches, 460 pound-feet of torque, 10.25 to 1 compression ratio. This is a monster. This is a beast. You got a fancy Sony right there with it. Oh my. And look at the lock and unlock. This is beautiful inside here. You got your windshield pusher, washer push, wiper washer, 7,000 RPM speedometer, and you got a 160 mile an hour speedometer right there. Okay, wow. 33,000 miles. Is that legit? Could that even be possible? You got T-tops. Oh, how much is this worth? How much did Haggerty pay on this when they wrote it off? Let's see if we can get it open. Maybe it's going to open up for us because I want to see what the engine looks like. Please open, please open, please open. It's not letting go on that side. Let's try it again. Hood release. Yeah, let me try to give it some little love. Well, unfortunately, whatever I do, I don't have enough. I can't, it's that corner and it will not unstick. And this one will not even go down. So this is all shifted a little bit. To get access to that hinge or that point, you're gonna have to remove this part and then maybe you'll have access and you can unlatch your hatch. Doggone it. T-tops, beautiful orange over black with the cool door handle right there. Oh, wow. Okay, well, this was a beautiful Vette back in the day. And she could be yours. I mean, I don't know what they're going to ask for it, but you can look it up. Go to Copart.com and search for 1969 Chevy Corvette, and it'll pop right up. Yeah, watch the auction. This is nice. This is nice, but unfortunately, we have to move on. Sorry. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go find another car. Well, how about another sports car? No. How about a luxury car? If you're looking for the W220, the most hated S-Class ever, well, this is the one you want. It's an 05 because it's the latter of the production year. Okay, you don't have to worry about all of the rust along right here. If you're looking at a 2000, 2001, 2002, I think up to 2003, you are definitely going to have rust right here. They changed the way they built these, and rust was no longer an issue on these. But the air suspension, as you can see, is still an issue on these. I like this color. It's kind of a smoky silver. It's not that brilliant silver, that 744 or 745. I don't know what color is this, 723 or something? I don't know. I'm trying to show off my Mercedes nerdness right here. Damage, I don't see much other than the suspension. There is a little bit of a ding on the trunk right here. Not major. You can pop that out, okay? Open this up, take off the cover and pop that thing back out. You'll know when it's popped out when your zeros align and you have a little bit of a ding right here. So something pushed this in. This will pop out too. Okay, this is the big S500. Uh-oh. What's that? Have I shown this car before? Ouch. What are these? Okay, these are coils. Have I shown this? I hope not. I don't know. I would love to have another one. I like this body style. This is the 4MATIC, so this is four-wheel drive. And the inside is in really good shape. Heated and cooled seats, of course. The wood still looks good. You get the bigger radio, which is nice. This is a nice car. Let's just see what the issue is. Okay. Please don't have like missing pieces of the engine. I really don't know what to expect. All right, here we go. Well, okay. I think we have coils. Do you see them on both sides? What about under here? Uh-oh. No, we don't. Somebody has removed them. Let me show you. Crap. Doggone it. Look what they've done. They've removed every coil from this side of the engine. They're hiding something. Doggone it. So even if I wanted to start it, it would only be running on 4 cylinders, if that, at all. You know what? I think I have shown this car. I really think so. Let's get everything back like it was. Here we go. Pop that in. Push that down. I think I have. I keep coming across this thinking it's a good buy, but it's not. It's a good buy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there's a difference in a good buy and a good buy. All right, you want a Miata? No, this is a rebadged Miata. It is called a Fiat 124 Spider. This is from 2018. They discontinued this in 2020. So basically, A lot of parts are from a Miata. This got the Fiat engine. It's a 1.4 liter, what is it, 120 or 160 horsepower. It's a little bit less than you get in the Miata, but consumer reports says that the power is more readily available. Okay, I'll show you the damage on this one. This is beautiful. I mean, this is hubba gorgeous. I love it. It's a manual top. It's easy to go up and down. This is your problem right here. So they were coming around a corner and they hit a curb or something, and they did that to the tire. It's still holding air. This is where the wheel actually punched into probably the curb as it was rolling right there. You're missing your rocker panel cover, but I don't see much damage down there. Your clips are still attached, which is nice, but it is this beautiful red and black with the chrome. This is kind of like the Crossfire. Okay, remember the Crossfires? If you ever buy a Crossfire and you're missing this piece right here, get ready to pay a ton, because this flies off as you're going down the highway. And if you find one on eBay, the person knows how much it's worth, and it is a pretty penny. Side pieces are also expensive, but not as much as the top piece. How do I know? Because I had a Crossfire. Anyway, this is gorgeous, and the interior is tan. I like this. I really do. This is loss type unknown, but I just showed you the loss. Here we go. I think the window came down a little bit. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so this is the 6-speed automatic. There's also a 6-speed manual. And this, oh my goodness. It is very tight in here. Okay, and as you get in, your elbow is going to hit your cup holder. How does that even work? I'm driving along. Oh, I think I want a drink. And you got to go, and then you got to pick it out, do a flip with it, and then bring it to your face. That was brilliant. Okay, let's just see what's going to happen. Come on. 25,010 miles. We'll let this warm up a little bit. We got the radio going. We're listening to country, it sounds like. Watermelon Moonshine by Lainey Wilson. Okay. That's all right. Let's turn her down. There we go. Don't want to lose my monetization. The cup holder over here is what I would use. Yeah, so maybe this one's for your passenger. These are vinyl feeling seats, but I like the color. I really do. Do we have air conditioning, perhaps? There we go. Oh my goodness. There's a lot that comes out of here. Okay. Let's let it get cold. As far as warning lights, why do we have the temperature? Temperature's cold. I guess that's good. We have the key light on. We have the tire pressure monitoring system, door open, and seat belt. She sounds good. I'm not getting a lot of cold air. Wait, here we go. Push for AC. Oh, it's burning my eyes. It's so hot. Wow. It has really heated up out here. Okay, now we're getting cold. Now it's working. Let's see if she goes into reverse. We got our camera back there. I can't move because the wheel and the tire back there. So I just want to see if it goes into gear. It does. So we'll put it back into park. Push this down to get her back into park. And leave her right there. In fact, we'll put the brake on just in case. Oh, this is so nice. Close the door and see how tight it feels. Yeah, it's a little car. It's a very little car. But it is so fun looking. Oh, look at the curve. Ah! Okay. This window works. That one works. And you got your manual top right here. Clip this, pop it down, you're good to go. Oh, how much fun is this one? And this is the trunk. Okay, let's do the hood. We'll check out what is behind us and what is in front of us. What is behind us? Ooh, it's a little bitty trunk. That's probably a tire inflator. License plate, CarMax. It came from CarMax, and you get your 2 screws to hold your license. which is right there. Okay, that's nice. Tiny trunk. Third brake light right there, which is nice. Let's check out this Fiat engine. Would you rather have the Mazda version or the Fiat version? I like these. That's nice. And here we go. Look how clean. There's a little bit of a vibration to it. 75,000 miles. Look at your battery. That's interesting. Okay. Is there coolant? Is there even coolant in there? I just don't see it. Washer fluid looks to be empty as well. The engine's running okay. This is still the Japanese battery. But it runs good. There you go. Oh my. What a fun little car. Fun little wheels. And this interior is gorgeous. And the air conditioning now is glorious. Ooh, this feels good. All right, Fiat. Riding in my Fiat. Thank you for your time. We got to move on, but you are one beautiful little sports car, and now the temperature has gone out, which means we can play with the engine. Hear it? Yeah, that sounds fun. Nice, very nice. Thank you very much. So that's gonna do it for this video. Which little red or orange sports car do you like better? Would you risk it with the 69 Corvette, or would you go for the 2018 Fiat 124 Spider? This one you could take anywhere. You just fix the wheel and what's behind it there, and it'll take you anywhere you want to go. I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. A big thanks to everybody here at Copart for letting me come out here and do these walk around videos. I see two Mercedes parked next to each other right there, so those are going to be in the next video. The SL 550, and that could be an S-Class. It could be a newish S-Class. All right, have a good day, everybody. We'll see you again soon. Bye.